Valley International Airport values your safety and the safety of others. Federal law requires wearing a mask at all times and on the airport. Refusing to wear a mask is a violation of federal law and may subject you to penalties under federal law. By wearing a mask and using our social distance markers to keep 6 feet apart, you can help us keep KDAL safe for yourself and others.
How's it going today?
Awesome. How are you doing, sir?
Good. You can pre-board. You know that, Bruce. You can pre-board with him.
Oh, I didn't know that.
I know that. Next time.
Thank you, sir.
All
I
right,
appreciate
see
it.
you, man.
Thank you.
Morning.
Documenting on shore. Hey, check out the cockpit.
Oh yeah.
Okay, hurry.
All right.
Flight attendants, please arm and cross-check doors for departure. Passengers, double check. Make sure all the electronics are in airplane mode. Laptops go under the seat, please.
Folks from the flight deck, welcome aboard. Thanks for flying Southwest today. Apologize for the late arriving aircraft. We got out of Houston a little bit later today. Short 1 hour and 9 minutes on our way to Dallas. That's at 40,000 feet. Nice ride up there. Temperature in the mid-70s. We'll update you on the weather. Hope you enjoy the flight. Welcome aboard Southwest.
After is arm cross-check complete. Ladies and gentlemen, if we can have your attention, we'll point out the safety features of the Boeing 737-700. There's a safety information card in the seat back pocket or literature pouch in front of you. Pull it out, watch it if you choose to. To fasten your seatbelt, slide a flat end into the buckle. Pull the loose end to tighten. To release, lift up on the buckle. Your seatbelt should be worn tight and low across your hips and at all times well seated. This aircraft is equipped with 6 emergency exits, 2 forward exit doors, 2 overwing window exits, 2 rear exit doors. Each exit is clearly marked with signs overhead and lights on the floor lead to each exit. If an evacuation is necessary, follow flight attendant commands and leave everything. In the event of a water evacuation, use the life vest underneath your seat. Pull the red tab to open the container and pull out that pouch. Take out the vest, put it over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, buckle it in front, and pull to tighten. Once outside the aircraft, inflate the vest by pulling down on the red tab. To manually inflate, blow into the tube at your shoulder. The vest also has a light that will turn on in the water. Flight attendants are checking to make sure that each of you have your seatbelt securely fastened. Seat backs and tray tables are in their full upright and locked position, and all carry-on luggage is stowed completely underneath the seat in front of you, leaving the area around your feet clear. This flight's a non-smoking flight, and that also includes electronic cigarettes and vaping. Smoking is not allowed anywhere on the aircraft. That includes the lavatories. Federal law prohibits the tampering with, disarming, or destroying of a smoke detector in an aircraft lavatory. Federal aviation requires passenger compliance with all flight and passenger information signs, posted placards, and crew member instructions regarding seatbelts and smoking. It is also prohibited to consume any alcohol that you brought onto the aircraft with you. Another regulation says you cannot stand or form a line in the forward galley or entry area. If you do need to use the front lavatory, please wait at the front or at your seat until the red X goes off. Then you may come forward. There's a lavatory in the back of the aircraft for your use also. Although we don't anticipate a change in cabin pressure, should one occur, 4 oxygen masks will come from the compartment overhead. Immediately pull down on the mask, fully extending the plastic tubing. This will activate the flow of oxygen. Remove your personal face mask, replace it with the oxygen mask, and breathe normally. The mask may be secured with the elastic strap. Be aware the plastic bag may not inflate, but you are receiving oxygen. If you're traveling with a child or someone needing assistance, secure your mask first and then assist the other person. Continue wearing your mask until notified. your laptop computers. Just a reminder that the seatbelt sign is on. Anytime that sign's lit up, we ask that you please stay in your seats with your seatbelts fastened. The only time it's okay to get up is if the captain turns the seatbelt sign off. Also, folks, we ask that you remember to keep your face coverings over your nose and mouth. Folks, if you flew with us yesterday, we would have served you just water. Today, for the first time in over a year, we're going to give you a choice. We will be serving Coke, Diet Coke, Sprite, or water. So here's the deal. You cannot take your face mask off to order. So if you want to tell us what your order is by giving us a 1, 2, 3, or 4, number 1s will be for Coke, number 2s are going to be Diet Coke, a 3 is Sprite, 4 is water. So once again, number 1 is Coke, 2 is Diet Coke, 3 is Sprite, 4 is water. So please be patient with us also. We haven't done this for a year. Thanks for choosing Southwest Airlines. Welcome to Dallas. Southwest Airlines and this entire flight crew, we'd like to welcome you to Dallas Love Field. For your safety and the safety of those that you could fall on, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and all your luggage stowed right where it is till we've arrived at the gate and the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please be careful when you open the overhead bins. Items shift around during flight and they could fall out. If you're making a connecting flight, check the monitors in the gate area for your most current and up-to-date flight and gate information. We know you have choices in air travel. We appreciate you choosing Southwest Airlines. We've enjoyed having you on our flight today. Thanks again for bearing with us and this first day of drink service back. It went smoothly, we think. Hey, folks, thanks again. Also, this is a provisioning city here in Dallas, so the service doors will be open. So when you get to the front of the airplane, make sure you turn left. Do not turn right. All right, have a great day, folks. And wear those masks on your way out.
Keep on going, bro. I have one of those things. Right behind you. I've got a